Canada just increased key immigration fees and revealed the occupations that can get you PR without any Canadian work experience. Today's video covers two major updates that every future immigrant should pay attention to. First, Canada has officially increased several immigration fees as of 1st December 2025, including inadmissibility-related fees and the International Experience Canada Work Permit fee. Second, despite all the changes in Canada's immigration landscape, the government has confirmed that thousands of people can still get PR without any Canadian work experience, especially through Express Entry's category-based selection draws. Let's break down both updates clearly, quickly, and in a way that actually helps you plan your next move. Canada officially increases immigration fees. The federal government has raised a range of immigration-related fees effective 1st December 2025. These changes apply to inadmissibility fees, restoration fees, temporary resident permits, criminal rehabilitation fees, and the International Experience Canada (IAC) Work Permit processing fee. If you submitted your application online before midnight on 1st December, you're safe, no fee adjustments needed. But if you submitted a paper application, IRCC may ask you to pay the difference because of mailing delays. Key fee increases include authorization to return to Canada from $479.75 $492.50, temporary resident permit $239.75 $246.25, criminal rehabilitation, serious criminality $1,199 $1,231, restoration of study or work status, increased by about $6 to $7 per category. IAC work permit fee $179.75 $184.75. If you do need to pay the difference, IRCC will send instructions, and you'll use the Make an Additional Payment page on their portal to submit the exact extra amount. Occupations that can get you PR with zero Canadian work experience. Now for the good news, you can still become a Canadian permanent resident without ever studying or working in Canada, as long as your occupation appears in one of the in-demand categories for Express Entry's category-based draws. How it works: to qualify, you simply need eligibility for an Express Entry program, FSWP, FSTP, or CEC, and at least 6 months of continuous full-time work experience in a qualifying occupation within the last 3 years, even if that experience is outside Canada. These category-based draws often have much lower CRS cutoffs, making them one of the strongest immigration pathways for skilled workers abroad. In-demand categories for 2025 include healthcare and social services, nurses, physicians, dentists, social workers, etc. STEM occupations, engineers, cybersecurity specialists, scientists, tech roles, agriculture and agri-food, education, teachers, early childhood educators, assistants, trades, roofers, electricians, heavy-duty mechanics, drillers, installers. French language category draws continue to have the lowest CRS scores in the pool, sometimes dipping to the high 300s. Maximizing your PR chances from outside Canada. Here are the best ways. Strengthen your profile even if you've never lived in Canada. Choose the correct NOC and make sure your job duties match. IRCC checks your duties closely. Mismatching NOCs can lead to refusals. Review recent CRS cutoffs for your category. Healthcare, French-speaking, and education often have the most competitive scores. Gain the required 6 months of experience abroad. Even a short, continuous 6-month work stint in an eligible role can open the door to PR. Consider French. NCLC 7 French ability can dramatically increase your chances. Explore PNPs and job offer-based programs. You don't always need Canadian experience, just meet occupational needs. Conclusion: fee increases may affect some applicants, but the opportunities for skilled workers abroad remain strong, especially if your occupation aligns with Canada's priority categories. Stay updated, plan, and use these changes to your advantage. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.